go. I just jumped up, brushed my teeth. It's a hurricane going on, so I'm still trying to get myself up. But we got Sprouts right now. Doing a little shopping. Trying to get everything done before the storm hit. Like, it's supposed to be bad, but I don't think it'll be that bad. I'm still trying to wake up, y'all. It's early. Yeah, I gotta get my chips. These right here, the Buffalo Ranch flavor. They so good. I'm gonna give these like a 9.5 out of 10 this time right here. These right here, I'm gonna give them an 8. Barbecue, I'm gonna give it like an 8 as well. I never had the salt and vinegar ones, so I might try those too. Sorry, it's only 99 cents, as y'all see. They didn't clear the salmon and stuff out. Like, what am I supposed to get? Like, I don't want, you know what? So I'm gonna have to get this, you guys. For $16.90, well, $14.95. I'm gonna grab just one of these for now. Guys, I usually get the fresh shrimp, but I can only grab these right now. But I don't know why I keep saying "but," y'all. But let me get myself together. Hold on. This is how my cart looking, you guys. So the store looking kind of empty. I might grab some grapes. I'm not sure what kind. Probably grab these organic. Just grab this because I need to wake up. I need to wake up, guys. Mind magic mind. I like it. It's cute. The outside. What about the advertising? Sharper mind, lower stress, better energy, with 12 magical ingredients. We gonna sit. If y'all kids like eating noodles, get them these right here. Way healthier. I'm gonna grab 2 packs for my baby. Y'all can't get my words together. Yeah, we gonna grab 2 packs. I think we done here at Sprouts. Y'all, it's not storming yet, but y'all see the wind. Huh?